and explain it to you.
Oh, you're kidding me.
So the Sissy bar,
That's unseen.
you look at every Sissy bar that's here, most of them all got one bolt mounted down here.
Yes, yes.
And then that puts so much stress up here, either on the fender or the bar. That's why they break, or it breaks the fender.
Total sense.
This here, this is all V'd out, and I welded this all together so that it's solid one piece. Bolted it there, bolted it there.
Yep.
So now, that's holding the whole weight of everything.
Incredible.
This here point basically becomes a neutral axis point. So just
right.
watch the whole thing. Let me sneak around behind you here. Just watch that whole point when this moves.
Oh, for God's sakes. Oh, it's solid. It's not moving at all.
And you see how
Oh, absolutely.
that's like a neutral axis, and it's got room to flex in there. Right?
Wow.
When I go like that,
That's brilliant. So that actually does give your back some absorption and cushioning.
packing that weight, all my gear on there, me leaning against it.
I love it.
This is 6 seasons I've been running that like that.